Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus 9 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see currently we've got the buttons. You can customize them here, so for example reorder the back button and the recents, and you can also change them to the gestures. Simply tap on this animation. You can go through the tutorial, but I don't want to do it. And as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line, which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it, basically manage the gestures and the back sensitivity. So it's totally up to you. And now a quick tutorial of how to use them. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device until you'll see this arrow. Now you can release the finger and we will just go back. The same situation from the right side. It works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, just like that. Make sure that this motion is quick and short. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, however, elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.